You are now watching Doorbell News.
I would probably say, can I be your friend, if I got, to talk to you, but, you know,
Look at this bootleg Amber Rose.
not on the full bus.
Oakland, California. Check out this bootleg Bob Marley. Can't even leave chairs on your porch anymore. Los Angeles, California. A male and female duo was seen trying to break in people's apartments. The female looks right into the camera. She really has that Amy Winehouse thing going. The man gets inside. Stockton, California. Check out this bootleg Ice Spice.
Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Get away.
Yeah.
Get away.
Get lost!
The hell?
Las Vegas, Nevada. Check this guy out. He's knocking at somebody's door with something in his hand at around 2 in the morning. He's looking kinda out of it. The homeowner makes the mistake of opening the door to see what he wants. But you gotta ring doorbell. You don't need to open your door. Oh, this guy kinda looks like Manson. I definitely want to open the door for this guy, especially at this time of night. Let's see what happens.
Hey, DJ home? No.
Yeah, buddy, don't open your door this time of night for some strangers. Bronx, New York. This isn't your house, you bootleg Cardi B.
Say my name. Maintenance.
She claims she's maintenance, but she don't sound like nothing but a bootleg Beyonce. Yeah, say my name, alright. I'll say your name to the police. Pompano Beach, Florida. Who is this dog, the bounty hunter's mother, still in packages? Las Vegas, Nevada. Look at this bootleg Wale. He's pacing around, then he goes for someone's package, and then he walks off, but he doesn't even realize the homeowner put trash inside of it. Aha, bootleg Wale. Wow, in Port Orange, Drake's tweaky cousin comes back with a lampshade on his head. What does he think, he's disguising himself? Yeah, it looks like a lampshade. What's up with this guy? Hey Drake, you need to come get your brother, bro. He's looking crazy out here in Port Orange. He's clearly out of his mind, and he thinks the lampshade is disguising his identity. Looks like we got Justin Bieber here trying to get inside of somebody's house. Redmond, Washington. This guy kind of looks like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, but a bootleg version. He grabs somebody's large package and he takes off. Yeah, I'm noticing a lot of these guys are wearing these fluorescent shirts to try to act like they're working, but they're really out there just grabbing packages. Canton, Ohio. Check this guy out. Kind of looks like a bootleg 2 Chainz. Fresno, California. Look at this lady. She has some sort of screwdriver in her hand. She kind of looks like a tweaked out version of that singer Janelle Monáe. Portland, Oregon. This bootleg Machine Gun Kelly runs off as soon as he realizes that the homeowners have a camera watching him. Seattle, Washington.
Hey, hey, what are you doing, bro?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
He kind of looks like that singer Party Next Door. Salt Lake City, Utah.
Whoa.
Damn, my bad. Sorry to bug you guys. I kind of just moved out here and I got lost. And my phone's dead. I don't have a charger, so I just need to make a phone call real quick.
What would you do? Would you let him come in and use your phone? Do you believe what he's saying? Would you let him come inside, or would you tell him to get lost? The homeowner kind of looks like Grant Cardone.
If you wouldn't mind me using your phone.
I mean,
I can sit right here.
where you at?
I just parked right there. I'm in that Dodge over there.
Where you live at?
Somewhere around here in Salt Lake. I have no clue, honestly.
You just going to random doors, knocking at doors, huh?
Well, I didn't want to. You guys are the first ones, but
we're good.
I had to build.
Look at this Michael Rappaport looking creep. He's trying to get inside your house. That's why you need to always keep those doors locked. Yeah. Get lost, Michael Rappaport. Atlanta, Georgia. Check out this bootleg DDG. Walking his little dog. Yeah, we know you live in the building, buddy. He steals his neighbor's doormat. How petty do you gotta be to steal someone's doormat? Waukesha, Wisconsin. Look at this bootleg, dusty Santa Claus ringing people's doorbells, trying to wiggle their doorknobs to gain entry. Hey, it's not Christmas, buddy. What are you doing at my house? Doesn't look like you have any sleds or any gifts or any reindeers. Get lost. Yeah, that's definitely not Santa Claus. Looks like Santa lost. Meanwhile, Janelle Monáe's tweaker cousin is trying to get inside someone's house. She decides to just kick the door in. She's losing her patience and her screwdriver isn't working. Luckily, she was caught and charged with multiple felonies. Atlanta, Georgia. A neighbor shared this Ring camera footage of these two guys who broke into his apartment. This guy doesn't even notice the camera recording them. They probably got a cam mask on. He kind of looks like Rakim. Atlanta, Georgia. Look at this fake pop, bootleg Pop Smoke trying to wiggle people's doorknobs. Pembroke Pines, Florida. Look at this bootleg Bob Marley going through somebody's mailbox. Yeah, he must be some sort of identity theft. Next time I see you around here, Mon, it's gonna be me and you, Mon. Take another ting out my mailbox, Mon, and I'm gonna come get you and tell you to get lost. Make sure you like this video. New episode coming tomorrow. You bootleg Bob Marley. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.